Step 4 gathers name and address information for the purposes of the accounts and for the trustees' annual report. There is guidance there on how you answer these questions and why the questions are being asked. The first question is the common name of the charity. In other words, by what name is the charity known to the public at large? This may well be the same as its legal name, which is the name you've already entered into the VT Properties box, but it may be a different name. If it's the same name, then put N/A not applicable in this box, and that will auto-hide in the trustees report. If, however, the operating name is different to the legal name, then put it in there. This may be simply the dropping of the word limited, or it may be a completely different operating name. Then you should enter the first 4 lines of the address and the postcode in the boxes there. This should be the operating address of the charity, not necessarily its legal registered office, but the address from which it carries out its business and runs its activities. You should also enter the telephone number, the email address and the web address. If there is no email address or there is no web address, then leave those lines blank. If the charity is a company, then you are asked, is the registered office of the company under the Companies Act the same as the address you've just entered? If the charity is not a company under the Companies Act, you can ignore this and go straight to the end of the step. If the registered office is the same, just enter Y in that box and go to the end of the step, because the template will auto-update the address details. If, however, the registered office is not the same as the operating address, enter the first 4 lines of the address and the postcode in the boxes provided. In all cases, then, you proceed to the end of the step and indicate you've completed the step by entering Y at the end of the step. As with all other steps, you have an area of free text where you can enter whatever you like to enter. That is the end of this step.